Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. Vietnamese for beginners. Simple phrases you can start using today. Imagine this. You're walking through a busy street in Vietnam. Motorbikes pass by. Street food fills the air with incredible smells. Voices all around you. Fast, musical, full of life. Someone smiles at you and says something in Vietnamese. And for a moment, you freeze. Not because it's too difficult, but because you don't know what to say. But what if, in just the next few minutes, you could learn simple Vietnamese phrases that instantly make you feel more confident, more respectful, more connected? Because language is not about perfection, it's about connection. And today, you're going to take your first step. Let's begin. Section 1. Greetings. First, greetings. Start with Xin chào, hello, Xin chào. Simple, friendly. Now something more natural. Vietnamese often changes based on who you're speaking to. But don't worry, Xin chào works everywhere, and it's enough to begin. Section 2. Saying thank you. Now, gratitude. Say cảm ơn, thank you. Cảm ơn. If you want to be more polite, add bạn, friend, or anh, chị, older person. But for now, just remember cảm ơn. Section 3. Yes and no. Keep it simple. Yes is dạ or vâng, and no is không, không. Clear, direct. Section 4. Being polite. Now imagine you need help. Start with xin lỗi, excuse me/sorry. Xin lỗi. Use it to get attention or apologize. And for requests, làm ơn, please, làm ơn. Section 5. Introducing yourself. Now, introduce yourself. Say, tôi tên là, your name. My name is, tôi tên là, or, tôi là, your name. I am, tôi là. And to say, nice to meet you, rất vui được gặp bạn. Nice to meet you. Rất vui được gặp bạn. Section 6. Asking questions. Now let's ask questions. Bạn nói tiếng Anh không? Do you speak English? Bạn nói tiếng Anh không? If you're confused, đây là gì? What is this? Đây là gì? And if you didn't understand, bạn có thể lặp lại không? Can you repeat? Bạn có thể lặp lại không? Section 7. Ordering food. Imagine you're at a food store. You see something you like. Say, cái này làm ơn. This, please. Cái này làm ơn. Or, tôi muốn cái này. I want this. Tôi muốn cái này. And when you're done, tính tiền. The bill. Tính tiền. Section 8. Saying goodbye. Now, saying goodbye. Tạm biệt. Goodbye. Tạm biệt. More casual. Hẹn gặp lại. See you again. Hẹn gặp lại. And just like that, you now have real Vietnamese phrases. Not just words, but tools. Tools to connect, to explore, to experience. Because language is not about being perfect. It's about showing up, trying, connecting. So next time, when someone speaks to you in Vietnamese, don't hesitate. Smile and say, Xin chào, and your journey begins.
That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.